Okay, throw it in
Ja,
there.
dat bakken. Wat gaan we bakken, Eka?
Bakken.
Oh, bakken. Wauw, Eka.
Did you have a very nice, you have a nice apron on that Auntie D made for you?
Papa.
Ja, papa heeft er ook een
Papa's
aan.
there, yeah. Okay, here. Pour it in. Pour it in. Yeah, thank you. And leave it in there. Yeah. Okay, one more cup. We need three. We need 3 cups. We need 3 cups.
Goed zo, Eka.
Eka,
Lekker.
last one. Pour it in for mommy. Oh, there you go. Okay, 3 cups of flour. Take this away. What do we need next? What do we need next, Eka? We gotta read the recipe.
Mandarijnen.
Oh, raisins.
Lekker zeg.
Oh, raisins. You think we need raisins? Okay. Mama, remember 3 1/4 cup. Watch out. Put this one in there. Put it in
Dit
there.
zwaai, Eka.
Okay, say goodbye. We'll finish the cupcakes later, and then we'll kiss them goodbye. Is that right? When we're done, we kiss them. We kiss them goodbye. Yeah.